How to register your TM SIM card. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to register your TM SIM card, step by step, in the Philippines for 2026. SIM registration is important because Philippine law requires all TM SIM cards to be registered using valid personal information and government ID before they can continue working properly. First, insert your TM SIM card and make sure it has signal. You also need internet access through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open your browser and visit the official Globe SIM registration website. TM is a Globe Telecom sub-brand, so TM SIM registration uses Globe's official system. Enter your TM mobile number, then tap Register or Next, wait for the OTP, or one-time password, through SMS and enter the code in the verification box. Now, fill in your personal details carefully, including your full name, birthday, address, nationality, and valid government ID details. Upload a clear photo of your ID. Accepted IDs may include national ID, passport, driver's license, UMID, PRC ID, and other approved government IDs. Make sure the photo is clear, not blurry, fully visible, and well lighted. If required, complete the selfie verification by positioning your face inside the camera frame. Before submitting, review everything carefully, double-check your spelling, birthday, and ID number, because wrong details may delay approval or require corrections. After submitting, wait for the confirmation message. If registration is successful, you should receive an SMS or email confirmation from Globe or TM. If you have problems, such as OTP not received, registration failed, invalid ID, or face verification errors, restart your phone, improve your internet connection, or retake clearer ID photos. If issues continue, contact official Globe or TM support. Always use the official registration website only, and avoid fake pages created by scammers to steal.